Hi everyone. I went a peachy cheaping. January 31st, I gave in and I bought this Simple Stories Lemon Twist is the name of it, because I just liked it. I like the colors. I like the yellow and the teal together. Now these are huge, what do they call them? Foam stickers. You know, I may end up using some of these, but these words, probably not. This I would use for sure. I don't know, we'll see. I don't scrapbook, so these large words don't really work for me most time. I guess they could work on a regular slimline card maybe, so I'll think about that. It comes with a stamp set. Also, it says be kind, squeeze. I can't read that. Something happiness. Squeeze happiness? It's like a ticket stub, torn, lemon, a bee, flowers, you know, sort of, well, not resembling that. You bring the zest. Oh, happy day. Be happy. Swoot. Quality of being sweet. Sweetness. Oh, it says sweet. I thought it said swoot. Quality of being sweet. Sweetness. Make more lemonade, the best, and then it says best ever, and this says something differentiales. It says same thing up here. I can't read the first word. A crosswise lemon, be you, sweetest, sunshine definition, and a butterfly. So that's the stamps, and 4x6 stamps it says. And then 2 packs of ephemera. This one is floral bits. I'll just show you the back. Isn't that pretty? Just that, all like that. Looks so pretty. Yeah, floral bits and pieces. Simple vintage lemon twist. 2021. So it's a year and a half old or so. But I hope I didn't buy it before. I don't think I did. And yeah, and then this one is more like the lemons and the tags, and I don't know. Let's look at the difference. This has more words in it. This is more just floral and butterflies and some fruit. But this has more like tags and other kinds of ephemera in it besides the flowers. But it still has the fruit as well. So yeah, very pretty. I love the colors, love the colors. Oh, and some washi tape with the lemon and the butterflies, and then a black and white one. Yes, maybe there are some black and white ephemeras in there. And then this one that looks like a sort of a, what do they call that, ticker tape or something? I don't know, it's like vintagey with, it is simple vintage lemon twist. Brighter than I think of for vintage, but I think it's pretty cool. Just like I said, I love those 2 colors together. So that's it. That was the January 31st Peachy Cheap. Sometimes I don't even look at them, or if it's things like just all stickers, I just disregard because I know I'll never use them. But this came with it, and I'll use some of them for sure. Yeah. I love this, and butterflies, and this one's nice too, and the butterfly. Can you tell I like butterflies? All right, so that was January 31st. I'm going to try really hard not to buy crafty stuff for quite a while, maybe till April. And then, of course, Stampin' Up! Will be coming out with their new annual catalog, so I'm going to have to get something out of that for sure. Because you know, that's how I do. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. What would you make with these? Would you mostly use them for cards, or would you do a scrapbook pages, or how would you use these? Let me know, because I'm open for ideas. And you know, mostly I make cards, but sometimes I get tired of making cards. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.